Good morning, my fellow Floridians. I want to thank you for gathering and tuning in as we announce the upcoming preparations for the oncoming hurricane. Now, it is looking to be a Cat 5. We've dodged bullets with the last few storms, but other people haven't been so lucky, which is why we're taking extra precautions with this one. So it's a mandatory evacuation. You get that? Evac, you wait. I want this county cleared as fast as my bowels after a strong coffee. You gotta make it clear. Immediately leave your homes. And I know you're thinking, oh, I'm a local. I got my 90-pack of dishwater. I'll just hunker down through this sucker. Make it easy on my team, all right? Grab a marker, pull the cap off, and write your social security number on your arm so I can identify your mangled and waterlogged body after the storm. Sharpie preferred, it's waterproof.
I didn't think about that one.
Oh yeah, no, the marker works as well, trust me.
All right, thank you, everyone.
Hold up. Attention all people! Those of you who can't move so good, get out. I don't feel like hauling your wheelchair out of the stink. Now, I am not life alert. If you have fallen, get up. And I know you're thinking to yourself, well, I've lived in my Boca condo for 75 years. I don't need to go anywhere. If that's the case, call up your disappointing grandkid and have him bring one of his tattoo friends over and just have him tattoo on your social security somewhere on that wrinkled pile of chicken skin you call a body.
Okay, let's tone it down a little. You might offend someone.
You know what? Let's dust off the will while we're at it and let's laminate. I repeat, laminate, so it's waterproof. Then write your name down on it with a Sharpie so we don't have any issues after the storm.
Okay, they understand. Thank you.
You know what smells worse than old people who haven't showered?
No.
Old people who haven't showered and are up to their soiled nethers in stinking, fetid water.
Okay, so that is gross.
Gross? I tell you what's gross is the piercing wails of your baby boy in his crib as the stormwater rises up in your house and pushes him closer and closer to the ceiling. Oh no! Help!
Okay, sir, they got it. Please no. Please no more. They got it.
No.
Please.
What's that? Oh, is that the flicker of a nightlight flashing against his face against the final moments of fear and pain right before he's electrocuted? You know what? You probably know what that sounds like, right?
No.
Let's give it a shot.
No! Oh, that's not even what it would sound like!
Close enough? Gives him a good idea.
What was that?
And you're probably wondering, well, how am I going to remember who he is? Because I didn't take the time to write his name down with a waterproof Sharpie on his arm.
I don't understand you. Welcome to evacuate or buy a waterproof Sharpie.
And I know, you're just thinking, well, I'll leave them there as I evacuate.
Who is thinking that?
Just write the name down as you abandon them. Am I understood?
Understood. They understood, sir.
Listen, kid. What are we hunkering down for?
A Cat 5.
That's right. Not a dog 5, not a meow meow 5. A what? Cat 5. That's correct. Oh, speaking of cats and dogs, if you think you can leave your pets behind,
No.
you want to know what it's going to sound like when a car goes sailing through your window?